Hello learner, welcome back to my channel Learn with Christian. Already we learned how to generate the bar. Till today we learned how to generate the single bar on x-axis, but today we will learn how to generate multiple bars on x-axis. So let's see. Okay dear student, to generate the multiple bar on x-axis we can use the same function plt.bar function. But you can see when we will generate the multiple bar, definitely there will be a chance of overlapping of bars. Suppose I want to generate 2 bar, then 1 bar will come on another bar. This is overlapping. So we are going to avoid the overlapping by shifting the bar, each group of bar by -2 unit from x-axis and +2 unit from x-axis. Right, and you know very well the allotted unit for each bar is by default is 0.8, but we will divide, because in this example we will see how to generate 2 bar, and that's why we will set it as a 0.4 for each bar width. We can set it 0.3 also, and the same time for x-axis, because you saw in last exam x data and y data, but here we will give a x-axis as a np.arange function to generate the x-axis. So let's see, without wasting the time, we'll jump to the Jupyter notebook. Right, we are here on Jupyter notebook, so let us start the Jupyter notebook, Python 3. Now first let us import the basic need, numpy as np, import as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now first of all let us create a x-axis. So what we will do for x-axis, for example I will give a variable name as a x-axis, okay, and I will write it the numpy function np.arange a range bracket open. I'll give some range. For example I want to generate up to 5 number of data I want to generate, so I will write it 0, 5. Got it? So you know the meaning of 0, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So 5 number of element will be going to generate. Now we need the data. For example I want to get the data for bar 1. Let us have an example. We will give the variable name as a bar 1. For example the data is 10, 12, 15, 5 and 20. Okay, this is the data for bar 1, and let us have a data for bar 2. This variable name I have given to explain you to understand that which is the data for bar 1, which is the data for bar 2, and what is the x-axis. So for example this data we are having 18, 55, okay, 12, 10 and 5, 5. So both are having 5 number of data, and x-axis is also going to be generate the 5 range. Now what we will do, plt.bar bracket open x, got it, and we will do one thing, we will shift the x actual point to -2, so we'll write it -0.2, got it, and we will put the data of bar 1 here. Same time we will, okay, first of all let us print this itself so you can understand. Let us run the program. Okay, now you can see this is the actual x-axis point, got it, but we have shifted to that side. Okay, we have shifted to that side, right? So this is bar is not coming in the center of x-axis, right? X-ticks, it is not coming on x-ticks. Okay, so now the same time we will set the width of the bar, as we have already learned. width is equal to, we'll give width 0.4. now you can see when I will run my program, and you can see it is shifted this side. Okay, it is shifted this side. Got it? It is not coming on center of the 0 1 2 3 4. So you can see the one bar we have generated on x-axis. So rest of the area we will cover, the 5 unit we will cover for second bar. So the same thing we'll do it for second bar. We will write it plt dot bar, and here same x-axis we will use. X-axis here we will write it 0.2. okay, and there we will write it bar to data. Same time we will set the width 0.4, and now you can see when the moment you will run this program, you will find that equal, run the program, and now you can see, right, the multiple bar generated on x-axis allotted unit, right, 10 unit out of 10 unit they have generated. So this way you can generate multiple bar easily. Only you have to remember the width must, you have to set the width, and the same time you have to use np.arange function to create the x-axis. Let us have one more example. Suppose I want to generate 3 bar. So let us have one more data, for example bar 3, and the data goes like this. For example 10, 23, 25, 5, and one more value will take, let us example 20. Now you can see on allotted 10 unit we have to generate 3 bar. So what to do? The size we will set it. For example, what size we can set? We can set 0.2, we can set 0.3 also. So let us give 0.3 for each bar, and here also we will write it plt dot bar, and let us set the x-axis, and already +2 we have given, so this time we will give +4, plus 0.4 we will give. Okay, because already +2 we have given, so on the next +2 only we want to generate, so we will write it this way and plot the bar 3 data, set the width. Once the width set it, the width for example will give 0.3, and now let's see the error. Right, now you can see we are not getting any error, we are getting exact 3 bar generated with a different data and different color. Only the thing is that this is coming, so we will do a little bit change here. Simply we'll write x-axis only, and we will run. Now you can see all the bars are coming correctly. So this is the very basic way to create multiple bar using matplotlib.pyplot library in Python programming. The width which we have set it as a 0.3, let us set as a 0.2. What is going to be happen, you can see. Now the width is 0.2, and you can see all the bar are setted properly if you give 0.2 width for each bar. So hope it is clear to everybody. If you have any doubt, any question, please you can type it in a comment box. Thank you everybody.